So I don't have my seatbelt on. I'm gonna see how long can it, because I've been having problems with that with this 2015 Ford Fusion. So it's been 20 seconds now. So I'm driving around. Sometimes I forget to put my seatbelt. Oh, 45 seconds. It still don't remind me. Well, I've been driving around for a minute without my seatbelt. Speeds over 25 miles, and it still doesn't tell me, reminds me to put my seatbelt on. What is happening with Ford? What is this? Why is it not telling me? And sometimes my wife also, I'm driving around and I don't see nothing, guys. It's almost 2 minutes now and still's not telling me about my seatbelt. I gotta take this to the dealer. So I've been here like 2 minutes driving around without my seatbelt. Alright guys, I'll see you.